Now let us see few more miscellaneous problems on polynomial chapter. The third one you observe here, it is factorization problem. It is asked to factorize 125x cube minus 343y cube. You observe carefully the given polynomial 125x cube. It can be written as cubic form. 343y cube. It is also can be written as cubic form. That means we get a cube minus b cube form. That means here we need to apply a cube minus b cube identity. So let us write the given one 125x cube minus 343y cube. It can be written as 125 as 5x whole cube minus 343y cube we can write as 7y whole cube. Since it is in the form of a cube minus b cube, so we need to apply a cube minus b cube identity. So what is a cube minus b cube identity? Let us write here. We have a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this you need to write in box so that we are going to apply this one. So now 5x cube minus 7y cube we can write as minus 7y cube. What is the a here? 5x. What is the b here? 7y. So it is given a minus b. That means 5x minus 7y multiplied by a square. A is again 5x whole square plus ab. 5x multiplied by 7y plus b square. B is nothing but 7y whole square. You observe carefully, we have written in the form of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That implies, let us simplify this, 5x minus 7y multiplied by 5x whole square we get 25x square plus 5 7 the 35xy plus 7y square, that is 49y square. Okay, now let us check whether it can be factorized further. So you observe here, it cannot be factorized further. So it itself is irreducible factors. Now we can say that 125x cube minus 343y cube can be written as the product of these two. So here factors are, you can write. So now let us observe the fourth problem, that is factorize 64p cube plus 729q cube. So if you observe here also, 64p cube can be written as 4p whole cube, 729q cube we can written as 9q whole cube. That means again we get a cube plus b cube form. So we need to apply that identity. So let us write the given one, that is 64p cube plus 729q cube. How it can be written as 64 is there, we can write 4 cube. That means 4p whole cube. We have written cube common for 4 as well as for p. My plus 729 is there, it can be written as 9 cube and q cube. We can write common cube, that is for 9 cube. 9q whole cube. Since it is in the form of a cube plus b cube, what is the product form of a cube plus b cube? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So let us apply that. We have a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. So this is the identity we have to apply. So 4p cube, 4p whole cube, a plus b. A is 4p plus b is 9q multiplied by a square. What is a here? 4p whole square minus ab minus 4p into 9q plus b square plus 9q whole square. Now you simplify this, 4p plus 9q will be written as it is. But whereas this on simplifying 4p square we get 4p whole square as 16p square minus 4 9s are 36pq plus 9q square we get 9q whole square as 81q square. So this is the irreducible factors. So we cannot factorize further. So now if you observe the fifth problem, that is factorize 1 by 343 x cube minus 1 by 512 y cube. So how you can write 1 by 343 as 1 by 7 whole cube, whereas 1 by 512 as 1 by 8 whole cube. So that means now we get a cube minus b cube form. Again we need to apply the identity. So here let us see the given one. So 1 by 343 we can write as 1 by 7 x whole cube minus 1 by 8 y whole cube, the given one. Here I have written directly, that equals to, since we have a cube minus b cube form, how we can write as a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the identity we have to apply here. So 1 by 7x whole cube minus 1 by 8y whole cube can be written as a minus b, 1 by 7x minus 1 by 8y multiplied by a square. What is a square here? 1 by 7x whole plus ab. That means 1 by 7 into 1 by 7x. So in next step I am writing here 1 by 7x into 1 by 8y plus b square. What is b here? 1 by 8y. 1 by 8y whole square. So this you need to close the bracket. So 1 by 7x minus 1 by 8y as usual we can write multiplied by 1 by 7x whole square. We can write as x by 1 by 49 x square plus, so here you observe 1 by 7 x into 1 by 8y. 1 ones are 1, 7 into x 56. So 1 by 56 numerator part we can write xy plus 1 by 8y whole square we can write as 1 by 64 y whole square, y square. So now we have got the irreducible factors because it cannot be factorized further. So in this way, in these three problems, you might have observed that we have applied mainly two identities, that is either a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube. Whereas a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, whereas a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So how to remember this? If you take a cube minus b cube, a minus b will be there, whereas in next step a square plus ab will be there. Whereas in a cube plus b cube, a plus b will be the first factor. So in next step minus ab will be there in next term. So this is the solution.